Constitutional Law, One-Liner, Part 4 by Dr. Deepak Miglani. Freedom of press in India is implied in the wider freedom of expression guaranteed by Article 19, 1A of the Constitution. On speech and expression freedoms, reasonable restrictions can be imposed on the ground of the security of the state. Autrefois-Equit principle is related to double jeopardy. Double jeopardy means putting the same person on trial twice for the same offense. The accused was found guilty of Section 107 of Customs Act and punished thereunder. Police then charged him under Section 120B IPC. He pleaded rule of double jeopardy. He cannot plead the rule of double jeopardy as the offence under Section 120B IPC is different from Section 107 of Customs Act. Article 20, Sub-Article 3 of the Constitution states that a person accused of an offence shall not be compelled to be witness against himself. Right to life and personal liberty under Article 21 does mean and include something more than mere animal existence. Right to life means right to have all limbs and faculties intact and live with human dignity. Anticipatory bail is a statutory right. Right to privacy as a fundamental right is implied in the right to personal liberty. Right to education is a fundamental right under which article of the Indian Constitution, Article 21A. Right to not be handcuffed is not guaranteed by Article 22. A preventive detention law has to satisfy Article 14, 19, 21 and 22 to become a valid law. Article 22, Sub-Article 1 and Sub-Article 2 does not apply to enemy aliens and persons under preventive detention. Right against exploitation prohibits traffic in human beings, begar, and employment of children below 14 years in factories, mines, etc. Employment of children below the age of 14 years in any factory, mine, or any other hazardous work is violative of right against exploitation. Right to conversion is not explicitly mentioned in the Constitution. Social justice and security of state are the ground on which state cannot place restrictions on freedom of religion. Right guaranteed under Article 25 is subject to public order, morality, health and other fundamental rights. Right to freedom of conscience includes the right to adhere to one's own religion only and to abandon one's own religion. Any section of the citizens residing in the territory of India or any part thereof having a distinct language, script or culture of his own shall have the right to conserve the same. This is provided in Article 29, Sub-Article 1. Article 30 guarantees the right to establish and administer educational institutions. It is available to all minorities based on religion or language. Equality of opportunity fundamental right is not available to all persons. Right to vote in all elections is not included in the fundamental rights of the Constitution of India. Gyankor State of Punjab case is related to constitutionality of right to death, in which it was held that right to life does not include right to die. Students, please like the video and subscribe the YouTube channel. Thank you.